Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. Here I am going to discuss role of BrahMos Missile in Operation Sindoor. We are aware about that the Operation Sindoor is the military action against the terrorist camps and terrorist infrastructure located in the Pak-occupied Kashmir and the Pakistan. Initially, it was conducted. Later, the counterattack by the Pakistan by the drones and fighter aircraft in some of the regions of the Jammu Kashmir and Gujarat and the Rajasthan that will lead to the further operation. And the extension of that Operation Sindoor was carried out by using the BrahMos missile and some other weapons. Here I am going to discuss that in detail. Kindly subscribe Engineering Explained channel. If you have subscribed, kindly share and comment. Key points. India launched Operation Sindoor targeting 9 terror sites in Pakistan and Pak-occupied Kashmir. The BrahMos missile hit key Pakistani air bases with near perfect accuracy. That is in the second phase. Sukhoi TMKI jets delivered BrahMos missiles, enhancing strike reach. The land-based BrahMos as well as the air-based using the Sukhoi 30 MKI jets are used to deliver these BrahMos missiles. On May 7th, India launched Operation Sindoor, a swift and calculated strike on 9 terror hubs across Pakistan and Pak occupied Kashmir in retaliation for the deadly Pahalgam terror attack and cross border selling on Indian civilians. The BrahMos missile will take how it works first and later the further action of that BrahMos missile we are going to take. The BrahMos missile consists of its tip followed by the warhead where the explosion it contains and later the control of that missile and later part consists of the fuel and the oxygen tanks and that will supply the fuel and oxygen for the combustion in the combustion zone. In the combustion zone, the fuel combustion is taking place with the oxygen, thereby releasing the high pressure burnt flue gases. And there is a flame arrestor now to avoid the coming out of the burnt flames outside. And the burnt flue gases pressurized in such a way that that flue gases will come out through the nozzle at a supersonic speed. The supersonic speed is the speed above sound, the sound speed. At that speed, the burnt flue gases are coming out of the nozzle, and due to that force, what it is coming out, in the same force, the missile will be flowing, moving in the forward direction. Like that, the BrahMos missile will work. When Pakistan started targeting civilians and military infrastructures in response to attack on terror targets, the Indian Armed Forces, in a bold show of force, hit 11 key air bases deep inside Pakistan with surgical precision, dealing a significant blow to Islamabad's military apparatus. At the core of this operation was a lethal synergy of indigenous and co-developed weapon systems, reflecting India's growing defense self-reliance. Leading the charge were the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, Sukhoi 30 MKI jets, Akash and Barak 8 missile systems, which are indigenously developed, are used in this operation. And along with that, the formidable Russian-made S-400 air defense system also used. Backed by robust integrated air defense network and real-time command and control infrastructure, India not only launched devastating offensive but also thwarted retaliatory drone and missile attacks with the impenetrable shield. That means here them the air defense system, which forms a impenetrable shield. The using the S-400 air defense system and Akash Tir air defense system, which works in successfully, and they are stopped all any possible attacks from the Pakistan by using drones as well as by using the fighter aircrafts. On the morning May 10th, India fired several BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles at key Pakistan air bases. The air and ground variants of the BrahMos, a joint venture between India and Russia, now manufactured domestically, were central to the destruction of key targets, including Pakistani runways, bunkers, and hangars. With a range of 300 to 600 kilometer and a speed of up to Mach 3, that means the three times the speed of the sound. At that speed, BrahMos missiles carry warheads weighing 200 to 300 kg, capable of destroying structures with pinpoint accuracy. Though officially listed with a circular error probability, that is a CEP, circular error probability CEP of 3 meters. Sources told that during the operation, the missile claimed performance closer to 1 meter accuracy, that whatever the satellite pictures got, and also the review carried out on the strikes, so which will give the information that closer to the 1 meter target is achieved. Pakistani forces experienced direct hits on the key air bases, including the heavily guarded Noor Khan facility of the airbase. What makes BrahMos especially formidable is its versatility. That is, the lethal missile can be launched from land based autonomous mobile launchers, ships, submarines, and even air platforms like the Sukhoi 30 MKI. That's why its versatility is a very the key point about this BrahMos missile. Moreover, it can strike from multiple vectors with high survivability against air defense systems. Sukhoi 30 MKI, that called as a Su-30 MKI delivery platform for devastation, how it was used. The Indian Air Force Sukhoi 30 MKIs, domestically produced under license by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL, played a crucial role in Operation Sindoor. Each jet can carry a BrahMos missile and has an operational endurance of up to 11 hours with mid-air refueling. The integration of BrahMos into the Su-30 platform has exponentially enhanced India's strike capabilities. One aircraft, one missile, one target, and results that left enemy radar and air defense units unable to interact and respond in such a way that India hits all these air defense systems, that any radar and air defense systems of the Pakistani not capable of the interacting and detecting the Indian attack. That was the about the BrahMos missile, which is used in the this Operation Sindoor, and details of this BrahMos missile working and all the technical details I have discussed in some other sessions. The links for the same I have given in the description. You can refer and watch that also. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.